We're all equipped. Papa, Mama, and Frida.
What are you carrying, Sa?
Oh yes, all our shoes. Winter shoes. Finally winter shoes. I'm surprised I found my size. And today's one of those days where I find my size but Leona can't find her size. Reverse day. Zima, Zima, Zima e pasta e Zima, Zima.
He's ready.
She's really ready. It's about 1 a.m. and we about to leave. Just regular diesel. Diesel. So we made it to Bosnia, and here, right here, this is one of the best things ever. That's a mosque. That's the first thing I saw when I came into Bosnia, and that makes me really, really happy. I'm looking forward to seeing a bunch of mosques here.
So we just got a heads up that this road is not good, so we're just turning around and going, no, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Zima, Zima, Zima e pasta e Zima, Zima. She's still sleeping. And we're still grinding.
You look like a big Christmas tree.
And these are my family members.
Some people really know how to travel.
Legs spread.
Enjoyment.
Oh goodness.
One like here, one like there. Well, she's half awake. She's looking and she's not believing. Hello! You're again.
Car off with that.
The light at the end of the tunnel.
Welcome to Pale. One of those European things and white people things that I never knew about. That is chains on your tires because it's snowy. And it's about to get worse where we're going. So that's why we're stopping now, to put the chains on the tires.
Basically, this clicks onto this.
You want me to do it?
My hands are frozen.
Yeah, let me do it.
Act like you know what you're doing.
Wow, snow. Look at that.
Wow. How much snow is there? Oh my god.
So much fun.
We're gonna slide. We arrived.
We're here yet. We're here now.
Mommy, Maggie, casting.
Again.
We finally got to our destination and we are high up in the mountains. Surprisingly, it's not as cold. I mean, I can be outside in my hoodie. I can't do this back home. Surprisingly, it's 2 degrees or 1 degree, I think. Ooh, I better move before the snow drops on my head. This here, see that? It just dropped on the floor. Barely missed it.
The next day.
Even when you feel low, you can still
Yes,
go.
sir.
Even
Come back
when
for
you
you,
feel
Lisa.
slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey, there's a kid there.
I ran out of breath. I didn't grow up throwing snowballs. I need more practice. Whew. I don't have energy in my hands anymore to throw with extra power. I'm already exhausted.
We just started, but really.
What's wrong with you? Why would you do that, Agbaya? Olodo.
To teach her to be tough.
Yeah, by throwing snow in her face.
That's how you grow up.
I guess I didn't grow up.
You said you're African.
Frida, what are you doing? In the snow?
Yes.
Bravo. Do you like the snow?
Yes.
It's fun?
Yes.
It's beautiful?
Yes.
Bravo.
Hoće da mi propadne, znaš kako.
Yes, Frida. Papa is tired. You, what are you doing?
I'm plastering
Plastering what?
the snowman.
Yeah, break the phone. Break it, Majmun.
Nisam još ni prvu platu od rata otplatila.
Everybody sick or head drive. Always squatting, real slave. And we flexing, we don't starve. It's so cool, so what? No be live. Whoa, fuck that. Got rakia, no stress. Yeah, good jeans, God bless.
Ja sam prva krenula, znači moramo zajedno da pravimo, ajde.
Allow it. So, Tigbo, she wants to take it up. You want to help her?
No.
What do you want?
Amigos.
You want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Titi, here. Oh, yeah, go to yours.
No stress. Yeah, good jeans, God bless. From my hand, no feedbacks, cause we bad. No cap.
I'm the project manager.
What project?
Project snowman. Your sweat got frozen on your
Some say there is a monster.
Where? Where? There's our daughter struggling.
I used to get down bad. The go to make me mad. Up not to know be sad. Whoa.
Oopsie, oopsie. You want me to do it for you? Oh yeah, let's do it. I messed her
There's
ball
the
up.
card snow, don't use it.
How do you make a ball?
Like this.
A small one and roll it.
Can you make another one for her?
You can do it by yourself.
I'm tired, man.
I see gold. Oh, Zima, Zima, Zima e pasta e Zima, Zima. Ako ini e love. Zima, Zima, Zima paneka e Zima, Zima. Nebo i seko e zdrav. Zima, Zima, Zima e pasta e Zima, Zima. Ako ni e love. Zima, Zima, Zima paneka e Zima, Zima.
Frida, what are you doing?
I want a tire.
You're making pear.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. What's the job? Huh? What's the job?
Yeah.
Why did you let it jabber? Huh? Why did you let it drop inside? Don't put your hand though. Obunagon. It's very hot.
Do you need help, Frida?
Yes.
She looked in the camera. Yes.
Here's this spoon. This one is not hot now. Hold.
Good job, Frida. It's the one hand behind her back for me. I don't understand the point of this hand. This thing. I don't know what that means, but there's a lot of swag in this tea making, if you ask me.
And we flexing, we don't starve. It's so cool, so what? No be live. Whoa, fuck that. Got rakia, no stress. Yeah, good jeans, God bless. From my hand, no feedbacks, cause we bad. No cap. I used to get down bad. The go to make me mad. Up not to know be sad. Whoa.